What's up guys, it's Matt back with some quick tech news. So it looks like Google will be getting into the foldable smartphone game. This one looks similar to the Motorola Razr. So as you can see, the pattern right here is sort of folds in a clamshell design, which is pretty awesome. So we've seen foldable phones from Samsung and Huawei introduced this year, so it looks like Google is going to be following suit. So like I said, it's sort of like the Motorola Razr. It sort of got that like any sort of form factor to it. So I'm hoping the final model for this will look something like the Huawei Mate X. That's one of my favorite foldable designs this year. But what I'm really excited about with Google is, of course, you're going to get the latest Android updates with your foldable phone, but they could also add some really great cameras to this, like on the Google Pixel, which would be very nice. So what do you guys think? Do you guys think this phone is going to flop? A lot of people don't actually like the Pixel phone's design. I, for one, I think they look okay. They're not the best looking phones. I kind of prefer the look of the Galaxy phones or the iPhone or even Huawei. So it's not my favorite design, but what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Be sure to subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one.